Alright, MotoTales here. So we are in Burnsville, North Carolina. Why am I in Burnsville? Because I've had multiple people on other videos recommend that I come and ride a road here that starts in Burnsville and goes over to Irwin, Tennessee. I've looked at it on the map. It looks like a good time. So let's go do it. What do I know about Burnsville? It has a good barbecue place that I can't think of the name of. There's an old hotel here that's a pretty big deal. Not really here to advertise for barbecue. We're here to find out if this is as good a road as everybody says. The people that recommended it actually call it 19W. We're on 19E. So I guess we're going to turn off a 19E just outside of Burnsville onto 19W. I know, it's a little confusing. Anyway, if you just look for the little squiggly line that comes down from Irwin down to just west of Burnsville, you got it. People, why do you insist on riding beside of each other? Why do you do that? It's missing its legs. Lieutenant Dan, you only got one leg. Pretty funny. There's our turnoff coming up. I see it over there. All right. So north 19W. Steep winding road ahead. Truck's not recommended. I like it. Steep winding road. A whole last keeper stopped in the middle of the road. Yeah, I'm gonna go on around. That works for me, guys. I'm guessing seeing a lot of destruction through here. You could tell they had some hurricane issues here. Of course, we're in that part of the world where Hurricane Helene came through and just devastated everything through North Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia. So you can see it doesn't look like this road. It looks like this road's been repaved not too long ago. They still got little paint marks all over the road, like they're still getting ready to do some more work to it, or maybe just got done. I bet it's guardrail stuff though, because you can see there's a lot of guardrail missing. It's probably going to be replaced on the right side. You notice there's big swaths of it that have no guardrail. That probably should. And then you'll see little pieces of guardrail just kind of standing there by themselves, like the rest of them got washed away. America! I can't do that English self. It's not gotten super curvy yet, but it is pretty. It's the way it's kind of laid out, kind of lazily follows the river. Look how dramatic that is, though. That's cool. Really pretty, and then you see like a destroyed barn, flattened out on the side of the river. Lots of steel beams and girders down there. It used to be bridges, I'm guessing. Look at that mountain right there. These mountains that were in the background a little while ago are now in the foreground. Now, like I said, we kind of missed the peak leaf season. Whoa, what's on here? That is a weird little intersection. Half the bridge is gone. I guess that's why it's a little weird. We're about to find the steep, windy part, though. Starting to look a lot like a mountain road now. Oh, yeah. Definitely turning into a mountain road. Yoink. We have found the steep and twisty bit. It's definitely twisty, and it's getting steeper as we go. And twistier, I shouldn't say. Oh, Lord of mercy. Nice. Hello, stay on your side of the road, please. I do want to point out, this is a Sunday, and there's been basically no traffic. That's kind of odd, honestly. Oh yeah, this is definitely worth the ride out here for you. The light come on, says I need gas. Guess my gas mileage is not great right now. Get to the top, we can drift to Irwin. mentioned, we were a little bit past peak leaf season, but it is still very leafy. Pretty. Nice road. This is a good one, y'all. I'm having a lot of fun here. Oh, look at this. We're in somebody's national forest. I guess if we're, okay, yeah. North Carolina side, Pisgah National Forest. And when we get on the Tennessee side, it'll probably be Cherokee, I guess, in this area. I'm not sure why we let each state name on something different, even though they're all part of the same forest. Welcome to the volunteer state of Tennessee. So what we got here is a really pretty ride that turns into a really exciting ride toward the end of it. Which is awesome. You can't ask for a whole lot more than that. We're kind of going down the mountain now, so I guess it's going to kind of gradually chill out a little bit. So I'm not playing around as much now because you see there's turnoffs and houses and stuff, as on the other side there really wasn't there for a while. I think we picked a great time to ride through here. This has been pretty and exciting. And I don't think I realized that that road had been closed for a while since the hurricane, but I'm sure it was, because there were parts of it that weren't even showing up on my map. Good ride, though. Thank you for the recommendation. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I love it when you guys recommend roads to me, because every time I've gone and done one that was recommended to me, it was great. It was highly recommended for a reason. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I love that. That's pretty. Look around here, y'all. Look around too much. That is a big old curve. Another big old curve. Just go back the other way like the curve didn't even happen. More of them. Lord, this road. What a road. Oh, look at that, it's still going down there. And I don't know if this road has a name already. I'll try to research that a little bit. If it does, I'll make sure to tell you what it is. But if it doesn't, you gotta think it deserves one. I mean, because that's got a little bit of everything for everybody. It's one of those kinds of roads. When you leave Burnsville, you turn off, you get on it, and you're following that river, and it's just really pretty. You get a lot of nice views and that kind of thing. And then you hit the mountainy part, and it's just, or you can just cruise through there if you want to, you know. And then you get down on this side, super curvy coming down the backside into Tennessee, and I think we sort of bottomed out now. We're just kind of cruising out. It says Spivey Mountain Road on the river app, saying it's called Spivey Mountain Road right here. So I guess that's its official name, 19W or Spivey Mountain Road. I'm talking about its unofficial name, you know, Sidewinder or the cruise missile or, you know, whatever, some dragon body part. So we're there. So you can see the Irwin, Tennessee sign right up there. It says Irwin, Tennessee, 1876. So that is an awesome road to go ride. It's kind of got everything. It's a good ride. Thank you for recommending it. So, if you like the video, like it, comment, share, subscribe, do all that stuff, because every time you do, it gets me one tiny step closer to being able to go do the next cool thing like this and share it with you. I love it when people recommend roads, because they're usually right. They're usually really cool.